Today I will show you how to download Telegram and install it in your PC. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to here and put download Telegram, okay, like for PC, okay, and here wait it and click to Telegram desktop, click, and now get Telegram for Windows 64, click and start. This is downloading. It's like a 47, okay, start and wait it a few minutes, like 20 seconds or like that, okay, now I think it's finally it's downloading. Just now click, okay, if you don't find it, just go to here and go to download this. If you don't find it, okay, just go to here and go to download and click to program, okay. This is all to download it, okay, like this is to know, okay, this is a first, just click to it and English, and you can choose what you have language, okay, and just wait a second, and now click to next to, and create a desktop shortcut, yes, next, and install it and wait it a few seconds. Okay, now it's finishing. Launch Telegram. Yes, finish. Okay, now finally we have this app. Okay, just go to start messaging, and now you need to scan. This is from your Telegram account in your phone. Like you have iPhone or phone Android, you can scan it. Okay, guys, or like log in with your number. Okay, like this, or what you have, like French, English, what you have, guys. Okay, like United States. Sorry, like United States, guys, USA, put your number like this and go to next, and will be verified a code, and only this will be open a Telegram account. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.